Cold email follow-up. Write effective follow-ups with templates and AI. AnyBiz. Annoyed by endless follow-up emails? As a sender, it's just as tricky to get it right. We'll cover the best practices for frequency, tone, and number of follow-ups, plus share top templates to help you out. A follow-up email is sent to a potential contact after the initial unsolicited email, aiming to start a conversation. Follow-ups are key for sales and communication, reminding recipients of your first email and boosting chances of conversion. Follow-up emails keep your message top of mind, remind recipients to act, clarify your pitch, and build trust, increasing the chances of conversion. Why cold emails get no response? Problem: poor timing solution. Send emails during peak times, like Tuesday, Thursday mornings. Problem: irrelevant content. Solution: personalize emails to the recipient's needs. Problem: overwhelming volume. Solution: create compelling subject lines. Problem: unclear messaging. Solution: be clear with a strong value proposition. AI automates and optimizes email follow-ups, scheduling them at ideal times and tailoring content based on recipient behavior. This boosts engagement and makes each message more relevant and effective. AnyBiz automates the entire outreach process, from lead identification to personalized follow-ups. Its AI determines the best timing and content, ensuring consistent, personalized messaging that significantly boosts response rates. AnyBiz's AI operates 24/7, optimizing email timing, tailoring messages, and even scheduling meetings. It adapts to engagement levels, ensuring continuous, professional communication. Start your 7-day free trial today and boost your sales effortlessly. How many cold email follow-ups? Send 3 to 6 follow-ups. The first few remind and add value, but beyond 6, response rates drop and brand risk rises. Each follow-up improves open rates, but gains diminish after 5. Send the first follow-up 2, 3 days after the initial email. The second follow-up should be 5, 7 days later, with subsequent ones about a week apart. If there's no response after multiple tries, send a final follow-up around 2 weeks after the last one. 7 tips for better cold emails. 1. Greet in their language for a personal touch. 2. Keep it simple and jargon-free. 3. Make the subject line compelling. 4. Be brief and direct. 5. Personalize based on audience segments. 6. Acknowledge their time. 7. Offer alternative contact options. Best practices for cold email. Subject lines. 1. Be clear about the email's content. 2. Keep it under 50 characters. 3. Personalize with the recipient's name or company. 4. Use compelling language to prompt action. 5. Ask relevant questions to spark curiosity. 6. Include numbers for a structured appeal. 7. Avoid spammy words like free or guarantee. You can find 10 effective cold follow-up email templates in the article below this video. Thanks for joining us. Explore website AnyBiz.io and make sure to like and subscribe for the latest updates and tips on optimizing your email outreach.